Wave sections 3 and 4. A sonic boom happens when an object reaches supersonic speed, faster than the speed of sound, and the waves left behind create a very loud sound. They are so loud that when it reaches your ears it can damage or break windows. A sound barrier is a sudden increase in drag and other effects experienced by an aircraft or other objects. What's the difference between music and noise? Noise is what we hear every day, a truck going down the highway or slamming of a door. These sounds have no pattern and are irregular. Now think of a trumpet. The waves this instrument creates has a pattern that the sound emits. Music is a pattern, noise is a complex, irregular sounds. Musical instruments use resonance to make a sound. Wind instruments vibrate and are caused by the blowing of air into a mouthpiece. They resonate when they are played. Interference is when the waves overlap and create two types of categories. There are constructive and destructive interference. Constructive happens when compressions of one wave overlaps the other, creating a new larger wave. Destructive interference happens when the compressions of one wave overlaps the rare fractions of another, creating a smaller or quieter sound. Resonance is caused by an object vibrating at a resonant frequency of a second object creates a second object to vibrate. Standing waves. It is basically a wave that is standing still. Waves and reflected waves can both go through the string at the same frequencies. Interactions and sound waves have many categories. Reflection is the bouncy back of waves after it strikes a barrier. There are absorption and echoes. Think of a gymnasium and an auditorium. In a gymnasium, the walls are made to reflect waves back, creating an echo, which is from the reflected wave. An auditorium is made to absorb the sound like a one and done. Bats and dolphins and other animals use echolocation. This is like sonar, using reflected waves to find objects based on how long the wave takes to bounce back. Thank you for watching.